Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alihi wa sallam. So I was discussing the next all hands to the palm. I was telling you,
Hands.
pronounce it like hands, not hands. Clear? All hands to the palms. Clear?
Yes.
So basically the whole is crew.
Cool.
The whole is crew, and part of it is hands. Clear? All hands.
Zoom in.
Next one, head is the part of it, but basically the whole is king in the bracket. Clear?
Yes.
Next one is a fleet of 50. It is whole. Sail for ships. That is whole, and sail is part of it. Brains part of it, and brains for intelligent people. Brains mean intelligent people. Intelligent people is whole. Brain is part of it. Mouths part of it. Mouths for people. Clear? Stand for people. Transferred epithet. A transferred epithet is when an adjective is applied to a noun other than the one it logically describes. Clear? When an adjective is applied to a noun. Clear? He passed a sleepless night. What is noun over here?
Sleepless night.
Night. What is adjective?
Sleepless.
Sleepless. So adjective is applied to a noun. Clear? Other than the one it logically describes. Clear? He passed a sleepless night. So it is logically describing it. Next one. Night is described as sleepless. So night is described as sleepless. This night means it is described as sleepless, even though it's the person who is sleepless. Okay? It is the person who is sleepless. But adjective is describing the noun. Clear? Describing the persona. The pluckman homeward plods his weary way. Clear? So weary way is noun. This is adjective. Clear? The journey is weary, not the pluckman. Clear? So journey is weary, not the pluckman. Next one. Somebody just should stand over here.
Sunny.
You come from that side or this side without disturbing the wires. Clear? What is the next slide?
Stop
This
करते
one.
ना यार.
I don't want to discuss the next example. That is latotes. Latotes.
Zoom in कर.
Rather, latotes. Clear? This is latotes. Latotes is a figure of speech in which an affirmative supportive is expressed by negating its opposite. Something that is supportive, it is expressed by negating its opposite. For example, I am a citizen of
Islam.
no mean city. Clear? So this is literally clear. A very celebrated city. Very celebrated city. Clear? No mean city mean very celebrated city. Clear? A part of speech or figure of speech in which supportive is expressed by negating its opposite. Clear? Next one, he is no fool. No fool mean
Very clever.
very clever.
चुप कर.
Clear? So opposite is very clever. Opposite is
Very-
being negated. He is no
very
fool. For
clever.
example, somebody asked me, "How are you, sir?" And I say, instead of saying I am fine, I say, "Not so bad." I am negating the opposite. Instead of saying, in other words, I am saying I am fine. But I am using latote over here. Clear? Instead of us answering the normal answer, that I am fine, I say not so bad. So not so bad is later. Not so bad means? Not so bad means? Fine. Not so bad means fine.
Fine.
So what is not so bad? Later. Later. Clear? It's later. Clear? So no fool mean?
Very clever.
Did you understand the concept of later?
Later tea.
I am not a little surprised. I'm not a little surprised mean greatly surprised. Clear? In other words, he is saying that he is greatly surprised. What is interrogation? A rhetorical, persuasive question posed not for an answer, but to create a stronger effect. Clear? Am I my brother's keep secret? I think it's keep secret. Am I my brother's keep secret? Clear? You know, my class is not attentive. And I say, or my class is not responding to me. Clear? And I say, it seems, or am I talking to walls? I ask the question, am I talking to walls? But it does not mean that I am looking for the answer. It means I am trying to create an effect on your minds. So that is interrogation. Clear? If my students, they are not responding to me, and I say, am I talking to walls, windows, doors, mean give response, yes or no, clear? So in that respect, you are not supposed to give me answer.
Okay.
Clear? It's a question that is meant to create an effect. Clear? Do men gather grapes of thorns or figs of thistles? Clear? That is again a question that it's a kind of interrogation. Next one. Look at the slide number. It's 87. It should be 88. Next one is, I won't discuss these examples because time is short. Exclamation. Exclamation is used to express strong emotions or reactions, drawing the attention to a point. Clear? So just to express these strong emotions or reactions. Clear? For example, what a piece of work is man. What a piece of work is man. Just to create a strong, you can say impact. Just to express the strong emotions. What a class! What a class! What a silence! What a response! What a country! What a prime minister! Clear?
Yes, sir.
What is climax? Climax is the arrangement of ideas in increasing order of importance or intensity. You know, when the play begins or a drama begins, clear? Slowly and steadily. In first episode, you see normal activities. But when it ends, they create a little suspense in the end.
Sir?
And then they stop it.
What is the
And you keep waiting for the whole week for the next episode. In next episode, there is more. They create more suspense, more suspense. In the end, they create climax. It goes up here. Starting suspense starts from here, then keep rising, keep rising. It comes over here. That is climax. When it's on the peak. When your suspense is on the peak, that is called
climax?
climax. Clear? A hero in the drama at once shoots the villain. And drama is cut.
And
It is cut. The whole week you keep, he aims at, he levels the pistol onto the villain, against the villain, okay? So what happens? The drama is cut. You keep waiting the whole night or the whole week whether the villain is died, murdered or killed. No, you don't. So climax, it's a climax. Your suspense reaches it on top of it. It creates tension and builds towards the most significant point. So tension is created. In your mind there is a tension, clear?
Yes, sir.
Start from simple, then erect, then severe, then austere, strict, and then sublime. Clear? Let me know if time is.
Over.
Is it over?
Yes.
Or is still there?
No over.
Okay.
Over.
Okay, that's what the climax is. We'll discuss the next things later. Thank you very much.
Allah Hafiz.
Have a nice time.